Hi there, welcome again to my channel. Today our topic is about English 7, Quarter 2, Module 4, entitled Summarizing a Text. For the competency, this is summarize key information from a text. Specifically, you are going to match words with their meanings, identify positive Filipino values, use graphic organizer in summarizing, and interpret understanding of the text through a summary. Alright, in your module, under what I know, we have directions here. Before you proceed to the next part of this module, answer first the items that follow. This will serve as a grades in your initial information on the topics covered. Write your answers in your notebook. Number 1. A summary is a brief, clear statement of the most important points of a paragraph or a passage. A. True. B. False. 3. Maybe. 4. Not sure. The answer is A. True. Number 2. When you determine the main idea of the text, significant details and condensing information into a short 1 or 2 sentence summary, you are A. Judging. B. Predicting. C. Evaluating. And D. Summarizing. The correct answer is letter D. Summarizing. Number 3. You are going to read this in your module and then answer the following question. All are generalizations or statements about the paragraph or family experience except A, B, C, and D. The correct answer is A. Family can be chosen. Next, you are going to read this selection in your module and then answer the question that follows. Which sentence should be included in the summary of the passage above? A, option B, option C, and option D. The correct answer here is option D. Number 5. The word manifest in sentence 6 means hide, B, mask, C, reveal, and D, cover. The correct answer is letter C, reveal. Number 6. Summarizing can be best described as taking the passage and listing briefly the most important points in your own idea. Correct answer is letter B, yes. Number 7. Alright, you are going to read this in your module and then answer the question that follows. From the given paragraph above, what character trait does the man show? Reckless, responsible, unsusceptible, unaccountable. The correct answer is B, responsible. Number 8. To summarize an information text in writing or discussion, which is not a strategy of summarizing. Correct answer is letter D, write opinions and unimportant details. Number 9. The purpose of summary is, the correct answer, letter C, to briefly recount what a text is about. Number 10. Okay, read this item in your module and then answer the following question. Which sentence is the best summary of the text? Okay, option A, option B, option C, option D. The correct answer is option C. Rich's team was defeated. Number 11. Alright, read this selection in your module and then answer the question that follows. What is the best summary for this text? Option A, option B, option C, option D. The correct answer is option D. Next. Alright, you are going to read this again also in your module and then answer the question that follows. Select the best summary of this text. Option A, option B, option C, option D. The correct answer is option D. Number 13. Okay, read this again in your module and then answer the question that follows. Which statements would make the best summary for the given text? Option A, option B, option C, and option D. The correct answer is option D. Number 14. Summarizing is a retelling in your own words, a short version of the main ideas, events, and details. Okay, A, true, B, false, C, maybe, D, not sure. The correct answer is true, letter A. Number 15. All right, read this again in your module and then answer the following question. The stanza above tells us that option A, option B, option C, option D. The correct answer is option D. Number 16. Under what's in your module? The direction is below is a text about COVID-19. Read and understand to answer questions below the lines to make your own essay about COVID-19. You may write your answer in your English activity notebook. Right, here is the selection. You are going to read this in your module. And then, after reading the selection, you are going to write down your own idea. And under the question, what is COVID-19? Here is a suggested answer. COVID-19 is a serious global infectious disease that infects both animals and people. It originated in Wuhan, China at the end of 2019. By the way, this is only a suggested answer. You can provide your own answer. I'm just trying to help you to give a possible answer. All right. Next question, what do you call the family of COVID-19? All right, possible answer. COVID-19 is part of a family of viruses called coronavirus. Next question, where did COVID-19 originate? Okay, answer. COVID-19 originated in the city of Wuhan, China. Next question, what are symptoms of COVID-19? The symptoms of COVID-19 are similar to flu fever like dry cough, fatigue, pains, and nasal congestion. Who are at risk of COVID-19? Possible answer. Those most at risk are elderly or people with underlying medical issues such as heart problems or diabetes. And then how does COVID-19 spread? Possible answer. The evidence so far indicates that the virus is spread from one person to another person through respiratory droplets. When a person coughs or sneezes, these droplets can also land on nearby surfaces. Another question, how can we stop the spread of COVID-19? Possible answer, everybody should be focused on hand washing with soap, using alcohol, and keeping distance from people who are symptomatic. Alright, next, under what's new in your module? Guess and arrange the jumbled words. Fill in the crossword with these words. Okay. Number 1, this is summary. Number 2, this is information. Number 3, this is gist. Number 4, this is structure. And number 5, this is idea. Alright, next, under what is it? A summary is a shortened version of a text, piece, or a gist. Remember the following. First, base your summary on the original piece, and then keep your summary short. Next, use your own wording. You should provide your own idea through your own words. Next, refer to the central and main ideas of the original piece. Do not deviate your topic. Your ideas should be based from the central or the main ideas in the given piece. Next, read with who, what, when, where, why, and how questions in mind. So, when you summarize, you need to focus on these questions in order for you to be able to provide with the correct ideas in the summary. Next, avoid putting in your own opinion about the issue or topic discussed in the original piece. That means you should avoid giving your own opinion. Instead, you should base your answer from the exact ideas presented in the selection. You should avoid giving your own opinion. Otherwise, that would be not looking good in your summary. Next, several strategies to consider when summarizing a text. First, number one, read the entire text first. And then, next, identify the title, the author, and the text type. Number three, describe the central ideas. Number four, identify key supporting details. You should take note if there are some supporting details in the given selection. Number five, avoid opinions and unimportant details. Do not add something which is not really concrete or based on the given selection. So you should avoid giving your own opinion. Next, in order to better understand a text in summarizing, it is important to learn the different types of text structure. Number one, classification, division. This means sorting information into topics and categories. In other words, you need to classify or divide the informations, sort them out in their own topics or categories. Next, number two, chronological. This means discussing things in order, or you are going to arrange the events or the sequence of events in the right order from the beginning up to the end. It should be in logical order. Next, number three, problem and solution. In this problem solution, you are going to present a problem and then provide a solution later on. The first half of the summary should be focused on the problem, and the other half should be focused on the solution. Number four, compare and contrast. Under compare and contrast, you are going to discuss the similarities. What are the similarities? And also the differences. In other words, you are going to provide what are the things that are similar in nature and what are the things that are different. Okay, next, number five, cause and effect. Under this cause and effect, we are going to explain the cause and then discuss the results. The first half of the summary can be focused on the cause and effect, and then later part is the result. I hope you have learned something in this video. Watch out again for my other videos for the second quarter, and also my other videos about English grammar. Thank you very much for watching. See you again.